Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to activate power saving mode on Telegram. Friends, Telegram app provide you the option to activate or deactivate power saving mode in your Telegram app. So to do the required changes, you simply need to open Telegram app. In Telegram app, you need to press on the three lines. Here you need to press on settings. In settings, press on power saving. From here you can select when you want to activate power saving mode. Like in my case, I wanted to activate when my mobile battery goes less than 20%. So from here you can select when you want to activate power saving mode on your Telegram app. Rest due to any reason, if you want to deactivate power saving mode on your Telegram app, then you simply need to slide it to off. Now you have selected always disabled. If you selected this option, then power saving mode will not start on your Telegram app. In my case, I will select 20% battery. So now power saving mode will automatically start when my mobile battery goes below 20%. So friends, like this you can very easily activate power saving mode on Telegram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.